In day 3 what I do is different, so we can actually go anywhere around here and try to build the fan zone. So let's start over here, shall we? We'll choose this corner and let's start right here. Let's teleport our agent over. So now our agent is over here. Where do we face? We'll try to build this way and we'll get our agent turned towards our right. Okay? So I'll build this way and we'll go basically block by block for this line, and we move on to the next line and so on. Okay, so the pattern I want to do is a grid pattern that looks like a square, but it will be too simple to just build the whole thing as one entire square or rectangle, right? Instead we can make a pattern, and in this case we'll make a checkered pattern with our agent. So we go to day 3's code and you can see that is the checkered pattern. Okay, so we can start by basically setting the block to the yellow stained glass and the blue stained glass. So what I do is for each line we'll do yellow followed by blue, and when I have enough, or basically a square for each of them, I will move on and I will swap them with blue then yellow. Okay, so I click play. I'll type the so when this happens, we need to give it the world builder mode. Okay, so let's get our agent back to the start again. So world builder basically means that we can destroy some of the blocks, but it's okay for now because there's not really a lot of blocks to destroy in our case. So what I can do is quite simple. We teleport our agent over to us. At the start of the day, not at the start of the day, sorry. At the start of this mission, you can give your students a world builder mode, and then you can set WB for that. So you can do that before your lesson, before the student touches the computer, or during the lesson itself, before the student actually runs the code. So we'll type pattern, and now you can see our agent will build the entire pattern out. So you can see after creating the first square of yellow and the second square of blue, we will code it to swap the colors. So you can see that happening right now. See? So we'll swap colors and this will move on and on and on. So this will repeat over and over again, and then it will reach to the other end. And if you want to run this again over here, all you need to do is go right here and then let our agent run the code again. Then you can alter the variables as needed for our agent to do it. Just remember, this one is the first one where I put 4, then 4, sorry, let's start here again, I repeat again, okay? So move forward by 4, so move forward, and you repeat this over and over, okay? You see, 4, 4, then move left by 1 and then move back by 8. So what happens over here is 4, move left by 1, then we move back by 8, and then we start here, and then this will repeat over until we change the color and repeat this over. My last one I put 3 because actually when this one repeats all the way over there, my last one is actually 3, not 4 blocks, so we had the extra portion. So you can repeat this over and over for the front part, and then when you don't have enough space, or depending on the size of your square, if you realize that you're out of space, just adjust the values accordingly to fit for everything. And once you're done with this mission, you can actually run something else, which is the pixel art portion. So just like the previous one where the student actually plans their own pattern or creation, they can actually create their own one over here. So PixArt actually allows them to create their own pixels and then put it in the sky. And then in this case we have done a heart. So it's quite simple. You just choose whatever color you want, draw. If you don't like it, erase it. Okay, just click and drag, or you can click pixel by pixel. So either you click pixel by pixel or you just drag, then you can color basically. Then this is to erase it. Once done with it, and click start, and then we can type art. So you can put it at different places. The original one is my position. Second one is my agent's position. And you can do whichever one you like more. Okay. So you put it to your agent's position, or you can put to your position. So we have player world position. Okay, then we'll type art. Then you can see it will appear on our position. Okay, so with that, we're done with day 3.